What do you do in your life? Take a minute to pause the video and write down a couple things that you do in your day-to-day life.
These are some of the ones that we came up with. One of our biggest examples is going to school. We have the opportunity to go and get an education, or also we have the freedom of speech, so we are able to say what we want within reason.
Men and women of all races have the right to vote. And in addition to that, we all have the right to choose to worship who and what we want or to not worship.
And all of these are different rights, and these rights are called our civil rights. And so these are guaranteed and granted to us underneath law, where it provides with equality and freedom.
We are now going to learn about some of the people who helped us obtain these civil rights.